Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Breeze Airlines Flight 365 for service to outer space. Please make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened, carry-on items are securely stowed, and all electronics are in airplane mode. 14 grams are allowed on this flight. Make sure your blunts are carefully rolled. Please feel free to light up at any time. No cigarettes allowed. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.
Young Gunner's back! Jody Breeze! What up? Airplane mode. You heard the lady. Make sure your seatbelt is safe and secure before you try to help somebody else. We about to take off. Yo, Jody, let's go! It's time for Street to Rock. It's time to roll up.
I'ma spit some of this knowledge. Didn't go to college, nigga be wildin', but I get through and I know how to pilot. Young nigga fly though, could've been a pilot. Part of a lion, could've been a pirate. Nigga told guns like the ones in Iraq. I'm on the island, smoking no Irie. Niggas in the kitchen on the stove with the pirate. Still fucking hoes, don't know yet. Still taking pictures, no Kodak. Hold my niggas from the project like hold that. I'm the motherfucking truth, better know that. And when it's my time, I'ma show this. Show that Jacoby. While my flow Chipotle. I can get your four-way. Holla at twin for the whole thing. I'm a grown man in my own lane with a bad bitch in a Robo Range. I meant Range Rover. Tell these niggas it's game over. I'm on the scene, but you ain't seen a young pit bull mixed with a king cobra.
Yeah, niggas wanna come around with this shit, get money now. No, the whole game changes up. They stop giving you the run around it. They wanna be the ones you run around with, but won't be the ones that hung around it. All this whole thing turn to dust. No, I don't need nobody. Look at where I got my way on. I don't need nobody. I get this bitch poppin' on my own. I don't need nobody. Look at where I got my way on. I don't need nobody. I get this bitch poppin' on my own.
Yeah, somebody told me it's a celebration. Let's pop some bottles and celebrate. And I ain't giving out no invitation. Fuck y'all niggas, I can tell your face. And I don't fuck with your kind. They're just wasting my time. I'm just trying to get paid. You just constantly lying. So if you just try and get yours, and let me worry about mine. Keep your mind on your grind. Everything should be fine. But it's alright, cause I'm alright. I'm up all night with the all white. When the beef comes, coming all black. On your block with no car lights, with them tools out. Trying to see what you bout. Dolo with a fish scale. Seafood, no papados. Get it papados. See Jody Breeze been poppin'. I don't believe in impossible. And a lot of y'all impossible. That's why your girlfriends, I'm on top of her. I like Roscoe, I'm a dad.
It's DJ MLK, I got my nigga with me, man. I'm finna do a couple songs. I got a CD out right now, it's called Airplane Mode Part 2, MileHigh Club. I don't do too much talking, but I'm finna show y'all like how I kicks it, right? Hey look, all I need everybody to do is just beat game, right? Look, I keep that pistol on me all time. Niggas think they gangster, but they're all rhymes. Stinking weed all time. Nigga never fronted me, I'm paying for it. All mine. I sell it how I want to. 3-4 OZ and S6 if you want to. All about the green. What up, Debo got it? I ain't even wearing shades, still don't see nobody. Yeah. And my flow is so ridiculous, my swag is so articulate. I like my bitch petite, but then I'm on the road doing shows. Hoes show they testament. I'm a pro, you ain't know, do some history. Look, my name whole weight, I don't need a scale. I'm in the kitchen with a 9, I turn it into 12. I won't got to walk around by my fucking self. Then they have to hang around a circle full of squares. Yeah, look, time flies, so birds. Action speaks louder than words. So preach it how you teach it, nigga. Teach it how you preach it. See it's how you keep it, nigga. Hey look, time flies, so birds. Action speaks louder than words. Yeah. So preach it how you teach it, nigga. Preach it how you preach it. Hey, look. These niggas tell they telephone fed talk. Fuck what he heard, blew his whole head off. Say head home. We'll be dead on them. On something, on yeah. I don't care, ball care, all black, 2 straps, all black, 2 clips, all red, but she done enough round to leave all y'all dead. Cause how you won't play it? Like my bitch, I go hard when I go in. Keep these hoes in line like the party and they so in. Yeah, I'm getting money, but I'm still chasing more ends. Still pimping no kids. Still trapping, still clap, but they good look with no hands. Ask about me, get about it. In the club, get it loud. She on the pole, finna drop it. I think she sucking niggas in my pocket. Look, solo who I ride with. 4-4 in my sidekick. Polo what I'm rocking. Yeah. And we don't want no problem. I just can't chill tonight. Turn it all the way up, bro. Yo. Break. Yo. Look, 7 grams in the armrest. Hey, go filth in the glove box. Yeah. I'ma give your whole a tongue kiss, but all eyes on me, cause I love pop. Yeah, I'm in the box every 2 tones. Bad bitch with me so bright, what I do wrong? Yeah, okay, they hatin', move on. Brand new Cougar on me, I don't know what you on. Look, I took the photo about that motherfucker. Then I put them 60s on that motherfucker. Now I'm running through the hood since got tall. What's the jump out? It will be a high fall. Yeah, said summertime, top off. With the sun hit the back, look like hot sauce. Yeah, we on the block, still outlaw. Home of the brave, you can get your rocks off. But I need a deal for, probably got my skills so. Deal, that's the real, but I'm just trying to feel the wind so. Yeah. Say I'm feeling like shout out my niggas, these niggas feel okay. We in this motherfucker. Look, okay, look, flow so off the chain, but most of it off the brain. Been getting money, but most of it off the cane. Got a lot of homies, but most of them in the pen. Got a lot of hoes, but most of them in the bin. Yeah, I do this for my hood, boss, I ain't seen them in the minute, what you know, good. I'm just trying to relax my mind. See back, recline, big ups to mine. Everything I'm cooking, I'm flipping it. In my mama's kitchen with them chickens and we're gripping it. Yeah, and these trappers on some bullshit. Like out with this pastor that's in the foreplay. Going to the city though, like on the video. Jody Freeze and always with stereo. Smoking on some cool load, no, not the Cheerio. Big body being so Cheerio. What I need a deal for, probably get my skill so. Real, that's for real, and I'm just trying to feel the wind slow.
Yo, what's up? This your partner, man, Breeze. I damn near can't talk right now. It's my birthday. Shouts out to all the Geminis, Airplane Mode. It's the campaign, MileHigh Club, ATL Metro Fusion. Appreciate the love. DJ MLK plus ENT. Hey, you know how we doing? We out here. But with your boy, nigga, Breeze.